Hey FamBam, so today I'll be briefly showing you babes how I made the keto cauliflower pizza I showed in the pizza palette review video. More information can be found down in the description below if you are interested. This pizza has taste and spice. Wink wink. So let's just get straight into it.
Forgive me, Father, but I gotta take a chance. Oh, I'm already gone, so just pray for me.
So for the base, we're going to need cauliflower, cheese, I use cheddar, and 1 egg. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and blend the cauliflower. So something I didn't do in this video was to show you guys how I squeeze the water out from the cauliflower using a muslin wrap. Exactly this one, but white. Another option you have is to put the blended cauliflower in a fry pan on medium heat while occasionally stirring. This helps dry out the moisture. A way to know it's ready is by taking a pea-sized amount and squeezing it. If little to no liquid comes out on your finger, then it's ready. You can also know by the different sound of the sizzling. Okay, listen to this. No sizzle. It's ready. For the toppings, we need Sriracha Sauce, Kale, and Pesto sauce or paste. So I'm just going to combine all these toppings together in a bowl. But first, I'm going to chop my Kale a little bit, okay? FamBam, I have to stop myself from eating this before adding the topping every single time. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the toppings and then top it up with the kale and put it back in the fridge and put cheese as well. Cauliflower pizza is done. It's done. It's ready to be eaten. Okay, I'm trying to sing, but it ain't working. And because of my host voice as well, that's what I get for being loud and proud. Okay? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, babes. This is it all done. I really enjoyed the keto cauliflower pizza. Okay, I'm gonna put more information down below. If you're interested, make sure you go and check it out. Let me know in the comment section down below if you're gonna try this recipe or try this keto cauliflower pizza. Oh my god, I can't speak. Anyways, I said I hope you enjoyed this video, girl. Thank you so much for watching. As always, evidence to love yourself, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye.